Hello guys, my name is Arya and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we want to make a cake. It is my first time I want to do this, but let's go. First, it said we need a 3 egg. Okay. We need the egg. That's 1, 2, and it's a or egg. It's for our farm. It's 3. Okay, let's see. 3 egg and 3 minutes. We have to move. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's good. And now we need a milk and oil. Okay, some milk. How much it wants? It's good. Okay, I'm jumping as I can. And now we need the oil. I think it's enough. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we have to add cake powder. It's chocolate. Now let's go. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. Okay, stop. I'm back. Now we need some oil. And okay, let's do that. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my goodness. And now ready to go on oven. So good smell. Yeah, something. Okay, it's ready to go on oven. For about 60 minutes in 180, and we just wait for 60 minutes and see the result. Okay guys, our cake is ready. Come to me and see it. Oh, it's so beautiful. Yeah, I'm big. That's something. It's cacao. Let's taste it. بله. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe the channel and send this video for your friends. Thank you and bye and see you in next video.